This is Doug. He's a good dude and a great dad. Like many people, Doug has absolutely no idea how to properly balance the tongue weight on his trailer hitch. Fortunately, Doug found a safe way to balance his trailer load. A Weigh Safe way. Weigh Safe's patented aluminum adjustable ball mount is one of many Weigh Safe hitches that come equipped with a built-in gauge, providing you with an accurate measurement every time you couple your trailer. So Doug doesn't need to wonder if the tongue of his trailer is applying too much or too little downward force on his tow ball, both of which can lower towing performance, create trailer sway, and even result in Doug losing control of his vehicle. Instead, Doug can simply hook up his trailer, secure in the knowledge that his family is protected by the best ball hitch on the market, ensuring a safe towing experience every time. Start towing safely today. Visit safetowing.com.